Welcome to Metric Math Made Easy by Majol YouTube channel, or at metric.math.made.easy TikTok channel. The nature of roots, the fourth one. Roots may be unreal, some say not real. Yeah, when b squared minus 4ac is less than 0. So we're taking a square root of a negative number. So your roots are equal. Yeah, so now how do they do that? So if you can do it the grade 10 way, so we equate this thing to 0. So x squared plus 4 equal to 0. And then you take the 4 to the other side, it becomes negative 4. And then you take the square roots, yeah? So now take the square root of x and then take the square root of a negative. But now once you take a square root, I tell you, you must always now put plus or minus in front. So you have your x equals to plus or minus square root of negative 4, which is non-real, yeah? Non-real, or is unreal. So now, and then your roots are not there. Basically, your y can never be equal to 0, yeah? So they are not there. So when you draw the graph, you have your minimum here when x is 0. Okay, x is equal to negative b over 4a. So a is equal to 1, b is equal to 0, and c is equal to 4. So if you do it this way, so you've got your b squared minus 4ac equals to b squared is 0 squared, yeah, and minus 4, and your a is 1, and your c is 4. So you have negative 16, yeah. So b squared minus 4ac will be equal to negative 16. So if b squared minus c is less than, so it will be less than 0. So once it's less than 0, it means that your roots are unreal or not real, yeah. So your graph will never cut the x-axis. And then if you take the axis of symmetry, so it's x equals to minus b over 2a, and minus b is 0 all over 2 times 1. Any 0 divided by any number is equal to 0. So axis of symmetry is x equal to 0. So when x is equal to 0, your y will be equal to 4. So this point here is 4. Yeah. So and then so your minimum actually is when x is equal to 0, your minimum is 4. So it will never be less than 4, your graph. So we don't have roots. Your roots are unreal, our echo, our existing. Yeah. So hit that like button and share. Thank you.